CTV to mobile, what we mean there is that you're promoting a mobile app on connected TV. And what you're trying to trigger there is that people are watching TV, their favorite show, they see an ad for an interesting mobile app, and then they say, hey, cool, I'm going to download that. When we talk about CTV to CTV, what we're talking about is that you promote an app that functions on the connected TV device on this same connected TV device. So the thing is that by and large, when we're talking about CTV to mobile, ads we are measuring are what we call in-stream ads. Ads that, so to say, are served within shows. When we're talking about ads for CTV apps, then yes, in-stream ads are a thing there too, but we're also talking a lot about native ads, so ads that appear on the home screen of the connected TV device. And we've developed measurement products for both categories. Mediasmart is a very interesting partner because they have the ability to cater both type of advertisers I've just been talking about. So they can support advertisers who are promoting their mobile apps on connected TV. There are quite a few of companies that are capable of doing that, but what makes Mediasmart unique is that they have specialized in the promotion of connected TV apps.
But I'd like now to focus on a particular type of advertisers for whom CTV is a very natural channel, and those are advertisers with a CTV app, an app that runs on the TV itself. We expect huge growth of the app ecosystem. It is true that so far it has mostly been about entertainment content delivered in video format, but apps in many other categories are still emerging, whether it is apps to exercise, to learn, to discover content, to play. And we expect that growth to continue. In a nutshell, an advertiser who has a CTV app can use the Mediasmart platform to grow the number of users that have their app installed, as well as to get existing users to use the app more. The CTV ecosystem is a lot more complex than the mobile ecosystem. Whereas in mobile, we have mainly two platforms. One is Android and the other one is Apple. The CTV ecosystem, by contrast, has many more platforms. You have Tizen from Samsung, Roku, Amazon Fire, WebOS for LG, Android TV, Apple TV, Chromecast, and so on and so forth. At the same time, you have a duality that doesn't exist in mobile, and that is within the same device, within the same TV, there can be multiple platforms running, right? So you can have your Roku set-top box connected to your Samsung TV, and you can be using apps that come from your Roku platform, and in the same device have apps that are running on your Tizen. And in order to promote your CTV app, you need to work with a platform that is aware of all this complexity and is able to recognize all this different environment, because otherwise you will be promoting your app in an environment where that app doesn't work. It doesn't make sense to promote the Roku version of the app on a TV that doesn't have access to the Roku platform. If you want to understand the impact that a particular placement has had on your app or the growth of your app, you need to be able to identify all this. Right? And here is where our partnership with Adjust comes into play, because Adjust solution is the one that sends a signal in real time to our system, telling us whenever an install or any type of interaction with a particular app happens, so that then our system can be smart about buying the media that performs the best.